Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have two cases from Poetic for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have two cases from Poetic for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. They sent me out their Guardian case, and then they sent me out their Spartan case for the Z Fold 4. We're going to review both cases. We're going to make sure everything lines up, 10-year wireless charge, and how the overall fit is. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for actually sending these cases out to me for a review. But let's get into it. Let's start off with the Guardian case. Nice presentation from them. Designed in the US, made in China. So this is a two-piece case. So this one has the screen protector already built in. Now it does show replacement of adhesive strips, so you get extra ones in there in case if you need to replace it. So here's the back of the case. It's going to show off the beauty of your phone. But what y'all think? Alright, so let me peel these stickers off. Alright, so here's the back. Let's put that one on. Now I did take off the adhesive strip on here. Now that shows off the beauty. It has a little brand in there, Poetic. I don't know about the screen protector. Not a big fan of those on my cases, but it will protect your display. So just make sure that these are on there. I do like how the sides are. They have like this little texture on there. The vine rockers are closed up. The power button is easy to get to. The vine rockers are easy to press. What y'all think? It looks good though. Now, how is the screen? The screen is not bad. I mean, I do have a screen protector on it, so I have a screen protector on top of a screen protector. But it does feel like you're touching plastic. That's my biggest concern, is when they have the built-in screen protector, it feels like you're not touching glass, because you're not. But you do get lip action even with the screen protector on there. You do get camera protection too. Everything at the bottom lines up. Everything at the top. Now, no hinge protection, but that is how it looks with it being open. It does attract fingerprints. Maybe they should do it like a matte finish too, but this one is not bad. It doesn't add bulk to your phone either, so this is not a bulky case. And then do you get lip action on here? You actually do. You get some here and here too, so this is actually a nice case. I don't think you will have a problem wireless charging. And as you can tell, you can wireless charge with this case. So let me move on to the Spartan. This is the Guardian case. Let me see what the Spartan offers. Give me one moment. All right, I lied. Before that, let's see. I have the adhesive strips on there. How hard is it to take off? It doesn't come off by pulling very much. So the adhesive strips does help with, you know, the overall fit of it. So that's pretty good. Now, if you didn't want to use the adhesive strips, that's up to you. But with it on there, it's not the easiest case to get off. So now, let me get the Spartan case going. All right, so here's the packaging with the Spartan case. Again, if y'all haven't used Poetic before, y'all missing out. Again, you get the same adhesive strips. So this one has the hinge protection in there. Also has the pen support in there with a kickstand. Okay, I see you, Poetic. And then the front, same thing. You have these little pull tabs off of there. You're gonna have the same adhesive strips here. But look at this case. So it does have that little pen support. I kind of like the honeycomb pattern in there. Let's try this one out real quick. This one will give you the extra protection that the Guardian will not. Definitely a heavy duty case. Make sure the adhesive's on there. Now in this case, right off the bat, it will add protection for your phone, but it adds bulk to your phone because of how the kickstand is. I mean, not the kickstand, how the hinge protection is. So when you open it up, does it cover the front display? Yes, it does. Some folks think that is a problem. It doesn't bug me, but you can definitely see that it does. Then it also has some Poetic brand in there. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Also, the lip action is there. The power button is open. It's easy to press. The volume rockers are easy to press. I do like how they have this extra grip on the side. Everything lines up at the top. Everything lines up at the bottom. Look at that. What y'all think about this case? This is, you know, you drop it, you don't have to worry about your phone breaking. Let's check out the kickstand. All right, so here's the kickstand. You can wash your phone like that. I don't think you can do this. Definitely can't do that, but if you want to just have your phone like that, or another option would be like this. Let's see, this way too. So the kickstand is pretty sturdy. It actually works really good. There it is here. So this is definitely a nice case. Like I said, it will add bulk because it does have the pen support in the hinge. So hey, the pen is always there if you want to pop it out. There you go. So this is definitely the nice case from Poetic, the Spartan case. Do you think you can wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. And yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there. There's no problem there. But this is definitely a heavy duty case compared to the Guardian case. So which one was your favorite, the Guardian, or are you looking for the heavy duty protection? Because like I said, I would not be worrying about dropping my phone too much, even with the fold. And look, you even get lay down protection on the main screen too. And then when you have it open, this gives you a little bit extra grip too. But if you want to pick up this case, the Spartan, or if you want to pick up the Guardian case, both will be in the description. The links will be in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on both of these devices. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.